No, not allowed, but I better pack a gun. I ain't trying to die, get nothing for the sun. Waiting for the money, you can feel all the love. Now I'm feeling that the end is really about to come. Dumb, it's us kids like to feel where I'm from place we can hell and hate without the sun. What can I say? Getting damage is fun. That shit sounds dumb. Yup, lately I've been feeling my city like a bag sheep. Wanna feel it her sweat. With my big enterprise, I'd rather get my happiness written on a check. Don't wanna get left with another regret from one time to two times, the third time I declined, the fourth time I took five, multiplied 6 times. Then we talking third eyes, I'ma turn your mind blind. The way it shines on your window sets aside green line. Mice, I'm a mess with the timeline. To get a second look at your health decline twice. And it's starting over, it's starting with experience. If you think otherwise, I'm hoping you're delirious. You think your happiness is missing like a technology for the pyramids, for the knowledge where your spirit is. Mission requirements, focus the 4 and 7 and figure what alignment is. From one time to 2 times, the third time I declined, the fourth time I took 5 and multiplied 6 times. From one time to 2 times, the third time I declined, the fourth time I took 5 and multiplied 6 times. One time to 2 times, the third time I declined, the fourth time I took 5 and multiplied 6 times. Then we talking third eyes, I'ma turn your mind blind. The way it shines, not even though sets aside 3 blind. Have to bring it back with a couple of new facts. Some of these whack ass cats think they can do that. I'ma hit him with a new attack. You stand no chance, you die in the gulag. I'm packing poems, packing over, packing poems, packing homes, placing those whiskey, speaking on the headphones. Had to learn to enjoy the company of my own. You don't realize when you grind, you do it alone. But I ain't bitching, earth rock, feeling like Bobby in the kitchen, equipped with dope hits and slips. Let's get the mixing. Some days we don't name with these niggas, but we never miss it. Scotty Pippins and I'm ripping the stitching of the bitches who try to dish at the table where I'm sitting trying to get a sip of what I'm sipping, but I handle all the boys and this and mix it up with some Vicodins. Yeah. Really feeling like that. If you got a problem, you can hand me the mic back. Mama raised a soldier, not a bitch, so I fight back. Don't get your spine cracked. Some of my